What's up, guys? It's Fadzai. You already know who it is. And guys, I just want to say thank you to everybody who's been liking, streaming, and vibing to Munhu Wangu. The response has been overwhelming and amazing, and we're so grateful for everybody. And I bring y'all some good news, guys. So we're going to be shooting the official music video for Munhu Wangu, and we want you guys to be a part of it. Sounds good? I think it sounds good. If you guys want to be a part of the Munhu Wangu music video, all you gotta do is hop on TikTok and post a video of yourself singing, dancing, whatever, vibing to Munhu Wangu. Anything that you guys would want to do, and tag Sky and I, and use the hashtag Haiwa Munhu Wangu. If you're not on TikTok, it's fine. Use the Wassup link below and send us all your videos, and we're gonna be watching all your videos, and whoever has the video that strikes us the most is gonna get the chance to be part of the official music video. Sounds good? I think it sounds good, guys. Let's do it.